Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4. There's that 5.7 liter Hemi. And it is running good, so I'll go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. I love those louvers that they put in the hood on this one. And those LEDs around the headlights don't flicker to the human eye. That's just the glorious refresh rate of my camera. It does have painted alloy wheels. And power sliding back window, dual exhaust and tow package. You see it does have a spray-on bed liner. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have a black leather interior. You have additional power supplies back here. And this is really nice. You also have a 115 back there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. All right. Okay, as we look down here, we'll see that it has 12,788 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk and your trip computer toggles. And gear limit, your cruise control, your push button ignition. Here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your shifter. You come up here, we're going to turn this down a little bit so it doesn't interfere with our video. Okay, well, this is our home screen right here. And right now it's playing USB. We'll select our source for AM, FM, or Bluetooth. You can also go with your USB or your auxiliary port. And then you can go over to your navigation as well. Here are your settings right here. And then as far as your comfort controls, you have both heated and cooled front seats. You have a heated steering wheel, and there's your backup camera right there. You see it is an HD backup camera that's massive. It's awesome. Then we can go to just navigation only, and you can see how massive your navigation screen is. And here are your apps as well. And then we can jump down here. Here are your parking sensors, your towing settings right here. Here are your additional ports. This is awesome for holding your phone. Here's your key fob right here. Your cup holders. And then additional stowage there and there, so it's a double-decker stowage. And then as you come up top, you're going to have your map reading lights. And that'll be your sliding rear window controls. And that about does it for this Laramie on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact from here to here. The vehicle actually hit an embankment. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.